Hello everyone. In today's topic I'm going to show you about HTML lists. HTML lists are used to group related items in one place. HTML lists come in three main categories: unordered lists, ordered lists, and the definition lists. We go for each in detail in this video. Let's get started from unordered lists. Alright, unordered lists is used to present items that do not have a particular sequence or orders. Unordered list is defined by UL, which stands for unordered lists. Individual items, this element is defined by LI, which stands for list items. Inside this element, we can put texts, images, hyperlinks, and all HTML elements. For now, we're gonna use the text here. Let me create the first list, orange. For the second list, banana, and the third, apple. Save the document here. The lists are displayed in our browser. These lists do not have a particular orders, so they are marked by bullet by default. We can change these marks by using style attribute, and the size style attribute we can use the list style type property. The default value is disk, which means this dark circle. We can change this to circle value. Save it. These marks are changed to circle. Again, we can change it to square, and these marks are changed to square shape. We can customize HTML elements as we want by using CSS style sheet. And the second HTML list is order lists. Order list is used to present items in specific orders. Order list is defined by OL tag, which stands for order lists. Individual lists inside this element is defined by LI, which is similar with order list. And then let me create the first list. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Save the document here. The order lists are displayed in our browser. These lists have specific orders, so they are labeled by numbers. We can change these numbers by using the type attribute here. The default value is 1. We can change it to upper letters. Again, we can change it to lower letters, just like this. Even we can change it to Roman numbers. And let me change back to the default one. The order list is start counting from 1, and if we want to start counting from the specified number, we're going to use the start attribute. The default value is 1. Let me change it to 10. To start counting from 10 and increase as needed. And this type of HTML list is very useful to creating step-by-step instruction, ranking items, or any situation in which specific orders matters. The final HTML list is definition lists. Definition list is used to present terms with corresponding definition. This definition list is defined by DL, which stands for definition list. Inside this element, we're gonna specify two elements. One for item terms, the second for item description. The item term is defined by DT, which stands for definition terms, and the second for the item description is defined by DD, which stands for definition description. Let me create the first term, USA, and here I'm going to type the corresponding definition. Let me add the second term, UK. Save the document. Here the definition lists are displayed. This definition list is very useful to pair terms with corresponding definition. So you can use this HTML lists as you want, and this is all about HTML lists.